everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Everyone likes having nachos one way or the other, so today we will be making two-way nacho salad. These Mexican salads have common components to our Indian cuisine, so it was easy getting the ingredients. These are very quick recipes and I am sure you'll love them. So let's get into it. So first, it's chopping time. So first we're making the baked nacho salad. For that I'll take my baking dish and I'll open a pack of my favorite nachos. Next I'll add all our vegetables. Onion, some bell pepper, some corn, tomato, jalapeños, cooked rajma or beans, some coriander on top. Time for the seasoning: oregano, salt, and some chili flakes. And for our final ingredient, cheese. I'll pop it in the oven at 170 degrees for only 5 to 7 minutes, not more than that. While our baked nachos are getting ready, I'll toss up some fresh nacho salad too. This is our second way. So first I'll lay down the nachos again. And now I'll add in all our vegetables: onion, tomato, bell pepper, some cucumber, and for the freshness, cucumber, some mint and coriander, cooked rajma or beans, surprise! Some mango too. Trust me, it goes very well. I've tried it. A hint of jeera powder, a pinch of salt, and oregano. Hear that? It is done! Ta-da! Our two nacho salads are ready. Let's give it a try. Wow, the goodness of cheese is so amazing. The mango has taken its freshness to another level. In this mango season, it's a must try. I can't decide which one is tastier. Do give it a try and tell me which one you like better. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.